Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking baby back ribs. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have here baby back ribs, salt, ground pepper. We got here the barbecue sauce. I'm using the sweet and spicy Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This tastes really good. So recipe is very simple. We will apply salt and pepper on each side of the ribs here, on the baby back ribs, and then just a little of barbecue sauce on each side too. We're gonna apply. We're gonna baste it, and then have it baked for hour and 45 minutes at 350 degrees. And then we're gonna take it out of the oven, and then we're gonna apply again the barbecue sauce on each side. This time we're gonna put more barbecue sauce on each side, and then we'll put back on the grill or on the oven and bake it for another, or grill it for another 4 or 5 minutes on each side. So that should be it. Now this time, let's cut the ribs, because this is kind of long. So we'll cut it in half. Okay. All right, like that. This should be fine. And then we're gonna apply salt and pepper, a little of salt on each side. All right. And then this one. Now we're gonna apply the pepper, the black pepper. Okay. And like that. On the other side again. All right. The other side. There you go. And then we'll put the sauce, just a little sauce, okay, and spread it, okay, just a little bit more. Then we'll do the other side too, like that. All right, then flip it over. There you go. And then put barbecue sauce again. Okay. There you go. And then we're gonna bake this. As I've said earlier, we're gonna bake this for hour and 45 minutes in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We will cover this while baking. So we'll cover it. Okay. Cover it tight. All right. Then the oven is preheating now, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll be right back. Now, after 1 hour and 45 minutes baking at 350 degrees, let's check our spirits. Okay, I'm pretty sure that this is already tender. Okay, this is hot. All right, wow, this is tender. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna baste some more of barbecue sauce, and we're gonna apply it on both sides, and then we will broil it for 3 or 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so let's spread it a little bit. Man, I can see the meat coming off the bones. Wow. And then let's put it here some more. Okay. And then we'll turn this over. Wow, this is real juicy and tender. Okay. All right, like that. Then turn over the other piece. Wow, look at the bones. It's coming off. Okay. That. All right. And then we'll broil this 3 minutes each side. So we'll be right back. Here is the finished product. Baby back ribs. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.